Hello everyone, Brando26 here with a very brief how-to on where to install a block heater and also the crank sensor since they're in the same spot. So, if you're already laying on the ground like I am with the engine and car jacked up, should be looking at something like this. Slide underneath. Get a flashlight. Okay. So, battery box, cradle bushing, frame, Fumoto drain valve, and right there is the crank sensor on the top in black, and the block heater with the orange connector on it, the 10mm bolt holding it in. So, best access for this is one hand right here where I have the camera, and take your flashlight right behind the wheel, and you can get your flashlight and your hand in there like that. And then route your power wire up behind all the hot stuff and moving stuff. And you see, maybe, on the power wire there's a small black Christmas tree push pin. It goes into that thing right there. You can see the hole in it. The flashlight's almost too bright. There we go. Christmas tree holder in the center, and where it goes, just right there behind it. See the hole? You just push it right in there, turn it around. And that should be it. Secure all your wires. Don't kill yourself. Have a great day, and enjoy the view of my ceiling.